So this is number 6 of our marinades that you can use in the air fryer, and it's our Moroccan version. An easy one that you can put together, and it's just great for something different. Works really well with chicken or fish, and you can also use it to make a little casserole in the air fryer with as well. So let's talk all about the ingredients that you need to make this. Obviously salt and pepper, and then we have ground cumin, smoked paprika, coriander leaf, ground cinnamon, harissa paste, ginger paste, garlic puree, tomato puree, a little bit of passata, and some extra virgin olive oil. So if you think about it, most of these ingredients you would have in anyway. I think the only thing I needed to buy for this was some tomato puree, because I seem to go through it so fast. Or you might call it tomato paste where you live. Either way, it's just perfect for using in your marinades for the air fryer. So let's start first with a teaspoon each of garlic and ginger. So let's add the ginger first. I always just squirt in some garlic rather than measuring it, because it doesn't matter if I get too much garlic in, because I love garlic and I would eat garlic every day. So then once you've added those, you've got your other puree, which is your tomato, and we're going to double up for this. Oh, we're not open yet, so let's use our lid to quickly get it open. So I'm doubling up for this one to 2, and then I'm looking for the harissa. I'm just going to quickly rinse the spoon so that I'm not putting different herbs, or pastes as I should say, in different ones. So I want this one a little bit spicier than last time, so I've put about 1.5 teaspoons. But if you prefer it spicy, what you could do is you could replace the amount of passata you use with more harissa paste. And then I am going to get some scissors. It's the easiest way in. And then I'm looking for about 4 tablespoons here, which if you're in America, it's the same as a 1/4 cup. So that's easy enough to do. And then the last of the liquids is some extra virgin olive oil, and we're looking for 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. And then once we've done this, we're just down to the dried herbs. Most of the time I use a teaspoon, so I'll probably just pour it in, it makes it easier. So not much of the cinnamon, because it can be quite strong. So you can go with about 1/4 teaspoon. Oh, lid won't go back on, unless you like more of it. And then the coriander leaf, we're looking for 1 teaspoon here. And then the same quantity again for your smoked paprika and your cumin. And then we're just going to nicely finish it off with some salt and pepper. So good seasoning of salt, good seasoning of pepper, and then that's all your ingredients there for your marinade. So you just want to give it a nice mix. And then that's just a lovely tomato base. And I've mentioned this many times, you can batch this, so you can do a double or triple batch so that you can make more with it. But that's just a single batch, and then that's just perfect for cooking with at home in your air fryer. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too. as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.